Alright guys, so here's how to remove last modified by author in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the file that you want to remove the modified. So select that one and right click on your mouse to find out this properties option. So then tap on the properties and then this dialog box will appear. So now from here you need to select this details option. Alright, then if you just like that, as you can see there are authors, last saved by, and many more information is available here. So you need to remove this information, right? So for that reason you can simply tap on this option, remove properties and personal information. So tap on that and then again this dialog box will appear. So first you need to select this one, remove the following properties from this file, select that one, and then from here you need to select the thing that you want to remove. So like this author name, last saved by, revision numbers, and program name. So you can select one by one, or also you can select this by select all. And when you are done with these, just simply tap on this OK button and boom, there you go. So now there is no authors, no saved by, nothing at all. So that's how you can simply remove the last modified by author in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.